Hi guys, I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be creating this very simple everyday makeup look for winter season. It is going to be very easy and I will be completing this whole look just in 5 minutes. So yes, without further ado, we are quickly going to be diving in.
So guys, the first thing I'm going to be doing here is I will take RENEE's Bollywood Filter. Now I absolutely love this product because it gives a filter like effect to the skin. It helps in blurring out the pore and it's very hydrating and moisturizing in the nature. It has a gel like consistency and gives a mattifying effect. I absolutely love this one because I am entering in my late 20s. I have pores on the face. We all have texture on the skin. It helps in beautifully blurring it out and it just gets quickly absorbed in the skin and gives me a beautiful and clear base to work on. So once I get done with this, I am going to be moving on to second step, and that is going to be this face base illuminating primer by RENEE. Again, because we need that winter glow, I prefer to go for a primer which has illuminating properties in it. So I'm going to take a bit, apply it all over my face. You can apply it after you're done with your makeup. You can use it as a liquid highlighter as well. I just like to go it on my skin before doing my base because it just helps in giving me beautiful illumination from within. Then I am going to be moving on to concealer, and this is going to be the RENEE's Face Base Concealer in the shade Caramel. Now I picked the shade, it is going to be perfect for my skin tone because not only it helps in concealing the dark spots and the dark circles I have on my face, but it will also help in highlighting it. So it has a very beautiful consistency and gets quickly blended in the skin. So I apply it under my eyes, over my eyes. I have pigmentation on the nose and around my mouth. So the applicator is going to be very easy to work with. After that, taking a brush, I'm going to be blending it out. Now you guys can see that it has a perfect consistency and it gives a perfect coverage that I need. It gets blended in your skin very quickly. Also guys, with blending the concealer and even the foundation, I always tell you, take time with it, because the more time you take in blending, the more natural your base is gonna look. And if your base looks perfect in the makeup, believe me, everything else you do with the eyes and the lips, it is just gonna make you stand out. So yes, I take time with this, and there are gonna be various shades available in this one according to your skin tone, so you can pick it up. I love the fact that it has a very illuminating consistency, which I absolutely love. After that, I'm going to be moving on to the loose powder, and today I will be using RENEE's face powder. And the brush is again going to be from RENEE. I will make sure that I give the products links in the description box below. I'm going to set my face just under my eyes. If you want more coverage and more mattifying effect, you can even apply it all over your face. After that, we are going to be moving on to foundation, and today I will be using RENEE's Face Base Foundation in the shade Coffee. Though it is going to be a bit darker for the skin tones, but I have worked perfectly with my concealer, so I'm going to be good to go with this shade. So I'm going to be dotting it all over my face, and why I love to dot the foundation on the face, because it just spreads evenly on the face and then you can take a brush and blend it out. I usually do not go for a makeup sponge because I believe it absorbs a lot of product, and with the foundation especially, which is medium to low coverage guys, I would like to go with a brush. So I'm going to be blending it out. It gets blended in the skin very quickly. I love the coverage. It is going to be perfect for your everyday wear, and even if you want to build it, you can apply more, you can take a pump more. Usually with the foundation I go with one pump, but if you have a party or function to go for, you can even take two. Now I am going to be taking this blush palette again from RENEE. It has two beautiful shades. The one is going to be corally pink and the other is nudish pink. So I'm going to go with the coral today. And just make sure every time you apply a blush on the face, you work on 45 degrees because it helps in uplifting your whole look, which I love. And I just love this product guys because it is not very patchy and it stays on your face throughout the day. After that, we are going to be moving on to lips. I line my lips because I want them to look bigger and more plumper. So here is the lip contour pencil I usually use. You can use any kind of pencil you have at home, but a brown is gonna be good to go. This one is gonna be one of my favorite lip colors, Desire for Brown. This is gonna be from RENEE again. I love the shade, guys. I love how beautiful the shade is. It gets mattified on the lips very nicely and it doesn't come off. It's smudge proof, guys. So yes, it is gonna be perfect for people who falls in skin tone just as mine. Gonna be very easy to apply. Also, it has a bit of fragrance which I absolutely love. After that, we are almost done here. I'm gonna curl my lashes. I take 20 seconds in curling my lashes, 20 to 30, and after that I apply a coat of mascara and you're gonna be done. Believe me, because I'm explaining it, it is looking like it is gonna take a lot of time. It is not going to take a lot of time, just 5 minutes and you're gonna be good to go. This can be your everyday makeup, and if you want to go heavy with the eyes, then it can be your party makeup as well. I love how the makeup look turned out to be. Make sure that you check out RENEE's products. The link is gonna be in the description box below.
So guys, this was it for this video. I really hope that you found the video helpful, and if you have any queries, just let me know in the description box below. Also, RENEE's products links are gonna be in the description box below. I love these products, guys. They are very affordable and really works for Indian skin tone, so you should give it a try. The links are in the description box below. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I will see you guys super soon with another one. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I love you all so much.